Cold front moved through the area earlier this afternoon. It's made its way to the east coast. Now the colder air is coming in, and we are seeing a little bit of moisture with it. A little bit of a light rain snow mix now in portions of southeast Kentucky. That's diving south and eastward, and that's what we'll see as we go overnight into tomorrow morning. Temperatures are getting colder. 52 was our high today. Now we're down to 40. Freezing now, La Follette and Jamestown, also into Sneedville, and 34 in Maynardville. So that cold air continues to push in. Not a ton of moisture with this. The biggest thing you're going to notice again, what it feels like. Wind chill values down in the low 20s for many areas, including La Follette and Jamestown. Feels like 33 here in Knoxville. Let's talk about moisture coming through tonight. Again, there's not a whole lot here, but I still think there'll be some light snow showers, especially in some of the higher elevations of the Smokies. Still think there could be some higher totals, 2 to 4 inches or so in the higher terrain area. Otherwise, we're talking about just patchy coatings or just random light amounts elsewhere across the area. This is the focus here, Mount LeConte, up towards Charlie's Bunyan, Pittman Center to Gatlinburg. Gatlinburg's probably a trace the way it's looking right now, very little in Pigeon Forge. It's mainly those higher elevation areas, and that's why the winter weather advisory is in place, meaning travel could be problematic in spots. 441 already closed because of the ice and snow. Maybe one of the bigger impacts is going to be the cold in the higher elevations. Towards Mount LeConte, wind chill values, lows 15 below because of those gusty winds close to 50 miles per hour. But that's the only area impacted here in East Tennessee is the higher elevations. Now, we're going to be cold. We're going to dip down into the teens and low 20s by first thing tomorrow morning, and not a huge warm up tomorrow afternoon. This is 7 a.m., so temperature and wind chill. Let's go towards midday and look what happens. Our wind chill is still in the upper teens to right around 20 degrees, and doesn't change much in the afternoon. As you can see, we're only warming up in the low to mid 30s. The wind will relax tomorrow night, but that just allows temperatures to tumble even more, and we'll dip down to about 12 in Sneedville, 10 in Barberville, and about 19 in Knoxville. A little warmer on our Sunday, a mix of sun and clouds, mid to upper 40s, some getting close to 50 degrees, but when do we warm up? It starts Monday. Southwest wind, sunshine, pick of the week, 60 degrees and never looked so good. Gatlinburg, much the same, 63 in Tellico Plains and about 58 in Newport. Why we're seeing the cold air now, it's diving out of Canada across the Great Lakes into the Northeast. We get a glancing blow of it as we go into Saturday. That's what's wringing out the moisture in the form of some of that very light snow across the area now. But that will retreat back to the north and east late weekend into next week, and then the milder temperatures start to come in as we head towards the middle of next week. And we're talking, again, 60s. Monday will be close to 60, low 60s for Tuesday and Wednesday. Yes, there's a little more cloud cover. Yes, there's a little moisture Wednesday, but it's all liquid this time. We will keep an eye on next Friday, though. Kind of, as I mentioned earlier, maybe a better chance of some more significant rainfall across the area. We'll keep an eye on that, though. All right.